Tired of seeing that random people you don't know or who don't follow you have watched your Instagram story? We've been there too. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you a few different methods to hide your Instagram stories from strangers. Now let's get started. The first way to hide your story from unwanted viewers is to make your account private. To do this, go to your profile page and tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings. Now tap Privacy. Select Account Privacy. Tap the switch at the top to make your account private. This will make it so only the people following you will be able to see your posts and stories, and anyone who wants to follow you in the future will need to request to follow you and be approved by you before they can see any of your posts. If you don't want to make your whole account private, you can post to your close friends story to only allow certain friends to see your story post. To add people to your close friends list, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile. Then select Close Friends. Type in the name of someone you want to add to the list, then tap Add beside their name. Then, when you want to post a story that only those people can see, select Close Friends at the bottom instead of tapping Your Story. When these people view your story, they will see a Close Friends label at the top, so they'll know you've handpicked them to be allowed to see that post. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.